Here we have the 5.7 Hemi out of the 300C. I ripped the whole wiring harness out with the shifter and all the fuse boxes and modules, and I got the pedal over there, gauge cluster. Here's the fuel pump. I built this little stand right here just to try and start the engine up. I'm about to crank it up in a second here and see if it'll fire over. I believe we should have enough connected to make this thing run. You can see right here I got a bunch of different grounds on this little homemade engine stand. Fuel pump's turning on. We got this skim sensor, everything hooked up there. Gauges are showing that we're in park. Alright, let's see if it'll run. And if it'll run, I'll probably end up simplifying this wiring harness to the bare minimum that it needs to run. It almost sounded like it's making a lifter noise. I don't know if it needs to run longer, but we don't have no coolant in there, so I'm gonna have to mess with that some other time. If you guys are subscribed and following along with my other projects, you've probably been wondering what's going on, but I've been getting stuff done on them. I have a lot of footage, but I don't have anything to edit it, so I haven't been posting. I got this little this roll pan right here because the bumper was all smashed up when I got this truck. I also got this new front bumper from the junkyard for 20 bucks. Rebuilt the engine, got it all back installed. Put a new radiator in here because the other one was blown out, leaking. That may have contributed to the failed pistons. Painted this manifold. You can still see I didn't sand it down, so you see the rough cast underneath it. But it's back up and running. I gotta do a bunch of mainly just body work and some paint on it, and I'll be able to get some burnout footage. There's the other truck that I've been planning on putting the turbo on. Haven't done much on that lately. We just got too many projects over here jumping back and forth on. Got this little mini jet boat. There's a 300 I was stripping all this stuff out of. Here's my brother's Beetle. It's got the EJ20 Subaru turbo engine in there with a Porsche transmission. It's got all the Porsche BBS wheels on it. Another Beetle to do a project with. More Doom buggies. So I'm not sure if this is either gonna get sold or if it's gonna go on one of those projects. But that's all for now. Hopefully I'll find some sort of editing app where I could cut and splice videos, and then I'll be able to edit some of my footage and get some new videos out there.